Hi, Kat.
Hello? Is that you?
It's me, Alex. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, let's see if you can get outside and feel the fresh sun.
Oh.
Do you want to go out?
Yes, of course, I want to go out.
Yes, that's the spirit. But then you have to be a good girl.
I'm a good girl.
Based on my observation, you have been a good girl. And with that, I have a reward for you.
What's my reward?
You will see later.
Okay.
So how are you spending your time here in the hospital?
I feel just like, I'm not that alone, but I want to go home. I think my mood is already okay.
Yes, your wound is okay. It's fine. Actually, you're getting well. But then, you have to rest for a while and then you can play outside.
Nice!
So, if you're saying that you're not alone, then who are you with?
Miss here. She's here every day. She's visiting me every day. You know her, right? Me, your best friend.
May.
Yes.
Yeah, I saw her. But it's been a long time since I saw her.
No, she's here. Later, she'll visit me again.
She's here?
Yes.
Yeah, I forgotten that I saw her a while ago.
Ah, I see. I told you.
But for my reward, May will be here. But first, someone or maybe some people will be here aside from me.
Oh, who are they?
Secret. It's for you to find out. Let's just wait. I'll just check something. And when I come back, they'll be here.
Okay,
Okay,
I'll
Kat,
wait.
behave. May will be here for you.
Thank you, Alex.
Okay, I'll be back.
Who's she referring to? Come in!
Kat, I have a
Hi,
surprise for you.
Oh, Kim, is that you, Kim?
That's me. I
Oh, I miss you so much, Kim. And Sam?
No.
Hi, Sam.
See? I brought them here.
Sam, this one will be good if you do like this.
It's okay, Kat.
Okay.
Are you happy, Kat?
I'm very happy, thank you.
That's my surprise because you behaved well.
Okay, how are you, Kim?
good.
It's been a long time since we've met, right?
That's right. Yeah. So I brought her with me.
Yeah, but where's Jake?
Unfortunately, Jake will come here, but not today. Because they have a seminar to attend. But he promised that he will come as soon as he finished everything.
Yeah.
Don't worry, Kat.
Oh, but what I remember is that I'm also a teacher, right? Just like Jake.
Yes! We didn't forget that. And your students actually kept on missing you. Yes.
Is that true?
Yes, they told me. Right?
Yeah.
Sam and Kim?
Hey, you didn't see me. She's here.
What? Me?
Me, you don't remember? She's our best friend, right?
Oh, May.
Yeah.
May.
Yeah!
Hey.
I told you that we saw her.
Yeah, she's outside.
Yeah. She's outside.
May is outside.
She's doing something.
Okay.
She'll come back later.
Do you have something or anything for me?
We actually prepared something outside, but
Yes.
I think it's still a big surprise.
Yes. But first, Sam, can you tell her a story about the cases that you've finished?
Oh, the cases that I've been working with a few days, they were okay.
What about the cases?
Some of the
Like-
case would solve it.
Just
How
like
about-
what?
How about him?
We're actually working together. We forget
Oh,
that
that's
I'm a lawyer.
great! I
Yeah.
want to work also with
But
you guys.
I guess that we're still hiding for some other people because, you know, the person we're hunting.
Yeah.
I wanna go home. I'm so tired in here in this hospital. So creepy in here.
It's okay.
And it's so
They're
boring.
They're taking good care of you.
Yes,
I think I
Kat.
can walk, you see?
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Don't do
No,
that.
I can walk.
We know that Kim, Sam, and me already know that you can walk and you're already well. But then, May told us that you should stay for
Several
quite some
days.
time here because she misses you a lot.
That's so, and it could be okay for me.
Kat, I told you if you behave well,
Mm-hmm.
then you can sit outside and feel free.
Okay, then I'll behave. I'll be a good girl here.
I think somebody's calling.
Uh,
Yeah, would you excuse me?
okay.
I'll just take the call.
Sam,
I think I have to finish something. I have to finish my work. I've been doing it.
say goodbye to Kat.
Kat, I will go now.
Okay,
But
bye.
she'll be back.
I'll be back. Promise.
She'll be back.
Promise.
Okay, Alex, bye. Thank you
No,
for this
I'm
advice.
still having some checking
Yeah.
to do.
Alex will
I'll
still
stay here.
stick around.
Okay.
Because I have something to clarify regarding me.
Yeah.
Right, Sam?
Yeah. So I'll
Okay,
be going
bye.
now, Kat. Goodbye.
Okay,
We'll
bye.
see you again.
Bye.
Message
bye.
me. Yeah. Okay.
So, Kat, in regards with me, how many times have you seen her? Every day?
She's here actually.
Yes. Ah! Yeah, she's here.
She's there, oh. She's looking at you anyway.
Yeah, I'm looking at her also. Hi, May!
Yes, that's right. She's there. She's looking, oh.
Yeah. And another thing, what is May doing here in your room?
Nothing. She's just keep on listening to me while I'm telling some stories regarding our friendship.
Kat, can you retell what about that story of friendship we have?
About the red ribbon, right? But I don't know where's my red ribbon.
The red ribbon.
Yeah.
I think May got it. She's just keeping it.
Oh, maybe she's keeping it for us to make it safe, right?
Yes.
For souvenir, right?
And how about that red ribbon?
The red ribbon is the sign of our friendship, right? It ties us forever, right?
Good thing you can still remember that.
Of course.
Okay, Kat. I have something to ask you once again.
What is it?
Can you still remember why you're brought here in this hospital?
Why I'm brought here in the hospital? Because I got a shot wound here, right?
And
I've been shot.
you've been shot
Yes.
by whom?
I don't know.
Okay, Kat. That's okay. If you can't remember, don't force yourself. We'll talk about that for some another day.
But who shot me?
Who shot you? Ah, I remember. You were playing with Sam, and then accidentally, she shot you.
Is that so?
Yes, Kath. Don't be pressured or paranoid about it.
But Doc Alex, Doc Alex, what's this?
Ah, this tattoo?
Yes, I want to have this kind of tattoo.
You can if we visit the community once again.
Is this for real?
No, it's just a henna.
Oh,
It's actually a gift from a child that I visited before. Last 2 months ago. Don't worry, you'll have this kind of tattoo if we'll visit that community again. So, Kath, that would be my observation for you today. You did well.
Yes, I'm well.
Very good,
I
Kath.
can go home.
Yes. Sooner you can go home and you can bond with us.
That's great.
That's what you like, right?
Yes, I love that.
Very good, Kath. Now I should leave you with May, who's standing there, right?
Yes. No, actually, she's there beside you.
Ah, that's May, you're very naughty.
Yes, because I think she really missed you.
I missed her too.
Me? Say hi to Alex. She's my doctor now.
She's here.
Yes.
Hi, May.
She said also hi.
Ah, yeah, I heard it. May, I'm leaving you two alone here. Kath, I'll be checking some patients to other rooms, and I'll leave you, May, and you here.
Yes, and you have a promise to me, right?
What?
Or banding together, right?
I don't forget that. Okay, Kath, you behave and stay good. May will take care of you, and I'll leave. But I'll be back later.
Okay.
Okay, you behave.
Okay, and I'm
Bye, Kath.
here. Bye, Doc.